The Samsung washing machine SC error code typically indicates a drainage issue. Specifically that the washer is taking too long to complete the drain cycle. This error can be caused by several factors, including a plugged filter, which can become clogged with debris and inhibit drainage. The drain hose may also be clenched, kinked, or blocked by a small object, preventing the washer from draining properly. Additionally, water seeping into the drain hose outlet or a blocked pump pipe can impede the washer's ability to drain. A blocked pump pipe can occur when small debris or clothing pieces become stuck, often catching other objects and completely obstructing the hose. To fix the SC error code, several solutions can be applied. For a plugged filter, start by unplugging the washer and opening the cover to access the pump filter. Remove the hose plug and transfer any remaining water to an empty bucket. Then, take out the filter by turning it slightly and removing it, and give it a thorough cleaning with soap and water, using a small toothbrush if needed. Reconnect the hose and put the filter back in place, and close the access panel to see if the error code has disappeared. For drain pipe issues, unplug the washer and disconnect it from the water supply. Remove the washer drain pipe, using pliers if necessary, and use a drain snake apparatus to unclog the drain hose. If the drain pipe is broken, it will need to be replaced. For blocked pump pipes, turn off the washer's electricity and water supply, and remove the relevant access panels or turn the washer over, taking care to get assistance if needed due to the washer's weight. Open the access panel, find the drain pump, and ensure it's not clogged and that the impeller can turn freely. If the drain pump is damaged, it will need to be replaced. By following these steps, the SC error code should be resolved, and the washer should be functioning properly again.